To begin, press the Escape button until you are at the main menu screen with Control, Status, and Setup. Using the down arrow, scroll to select the Setup menu option and press the Enter key. On the Settings menu, use the down arrow to scroll through the list and select the Other option. Note that the cursor automatically jumps to the second column when you reach the end of the first. Press the Enter button to open the Other Settings option. The first option is the Self-Test option. Press the Enter key to change its settings. Using the arrow keys, scroll through the 4 options for your self-test. They are at power on, every 7 days, every 14 days, or disabled. Select the desired interval and press the Enter key to save the change. Your self-test will now run at this interval.